What is up, people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, for the ones who are visiting this channel for the first time and watching my video for the first time, this channel is all about the lesser known tools that would help you increase your digital productivity, and most of the tools are free. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon besides that, because I keep on making such kind of videos on a daily basis, and that would just help me to reach out to you guys whenever I upload a video. So I've recently started this series on my channel named as Quora Answers, the playlist rather, when I go ahead and answer the questions, the queries asked to me on my Quora account by the users, the followers I have, or the people who follow my space on Quora. In case if you have not followed the space on Quora, the link is in the description below, and the name of the space is Digital Productivity Web. Make sure you go ahead and follow that and ask me as many questions as you can. Well, coming to the question for today, the question is being asked by Akshay Gurnani, and the question is, can I submit same image as a contributor on Shutterstock and Adobe Stock? So yes, Akshay, you can definitely go ahead and update the same image on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, and as many websites as you have signed up as a contributor for, but provided you need to have an non-exclusive contract with them. So there is something called as exclusive and non-exclusive contract. If you are a part of a non-exclusive one, you can go ahead and update one image on a particular website and replicate the same image on the other ones as well. But in case if you have an exclusive contract with them, then you will have to go ahead and click a separate image for each of the platform that you plan to upload the image on. Apart from Shutterstock and Adobe Stock, I would also like to suggest you go ahead with Getty Images. I upload my images on Getty Images since a year now, and the response which I get on Getty Images is comparatively higher when it comes to Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. So I would really recommend for you to go ahead and try out Getty Images. In case if you're looking for a link, the links are in the description below. Apart from that, if you need any other help, there is a separate playlist that I've created named as Stock Photography. You can always go ahead and check out that particular playlist. It's basically regarding the tips and tricks and how can you go ahead and sign up for specific websites. I hope that I have answered this question of yours well. In case you guys are watching this video on my Instagram account, make sure that you guys go ahead and DM me about all your queries. And if you're watching this on my Quora account, make sure you go ahead and upvote the answer and follow my space. Apart from that, you can go ahead and check out my blog. I write a blog on a weekly basis, and you can follow me on my social media accounts in case if you need any help. Well, that was it from my end for today. I'll be back with another answer for you people. Till then, keep watching my channel and keep geeking.